Alright, since it didn't come with proper instructions, what I thought is I'd put one nut up here and one nut below there and then screw them together until at some point something will give and it will stay in place, maybe. I don't know, it's not really doing what I want it to. And then if it's like that, it's going to be flimsy and it's going to move around. It comes with an extra screw in here, but I don't know what that would be for. Maybe that? I don't know. It's kind of a weird thing, huh? But this is definitely the sponge that goes in there to clean the tip of the soldering iron. It'll go in like that, maybe? What if it falls, though?
Likey